Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to join an Azure AD from a Windows 10 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So all you have to do is just open up the start menu, just left click on the start button one time, type in settings. Best match should come back with settings, left click on that option. You want to go and left click on the accounts tile, so left click on accounts. Left click on Access Work or School, and then underneath Get Access to Resources like email, apps, and the network. Connecting means your work or school might control some things on this device, such as which settings you can change. For specific info about this, ask them. Left click on this plus sign for Connect, and at this point it's very straightforward. You just would go ahead and insert your information, so whatever credentials you use to log into your work or school account. So you just type in the email address, password, and it pretty much would set you up from there. So it's pretty self-explanatory from here. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial.